Hi everybody, welcome back. So I'm super excited. Yes, I am excited actually to be filming again. I really am. It's raining, it's gloomy. This is as natural of a light here in Cali that I'm gonna be able to get. And I was like, I'm gonna wait for a day when there's a lot more natural light. When is that day gonna come? I'm glad it's raining. We need rain. And I just didn't want to wait any longer to film. And this film I'm really excited about. So it's a Marshalls slash a big Marshalls haul slash little bit of Target and slash a little bit of things from OfferUp. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. So first I'm gonna do the skincare that I got from Marshalls because I am really been into skincare, and I left all the prices on here. I haven't opened hardly anything. I've opened maybe a couple of things, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait, and then I'm gonna, film this haul. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna, after this, I don't think I'm gonna be filming hardly any hauls, like big hauls. Because it's just not feasible, and it's not something that I'm able to do, It's more gonna, yeah, I think I explained in my last video the direction I'm taking my channel in. But anyways, I'm excited about this haul, so let's get into it. I got this Algenist Genius Collection. This first batch is all skincare stuff, okay? And it says it's $123 value. Here it is right here. And I got it for $24.99. Everything that I bought, that I looked up, that I got from Marshalls, I looked on Amazon, Target, things like that, and to know if it's a good buy or if it's just one of those things where it's like, oh my god, it's just saving $100. No, we all know that this was never gonna sell for $120, maybe $90, most likely $50. So I feel like $24.99, I just couldn't pass it up. So it comes with 3 steps. It comes with a anti-age cream, hyaluronic acid, and micro-large oil. It just comes with stuff that's anti-ager, and that's like what I need at this moment in my life. So excited about that. Next is this e.l.f. Hello Hydration Starter Kit. Here you go. Price $6.99. I was really excited about this because when I looked at these, when I've been in Target, and I've gotten some really cool things at from e.l.f. at the Marshalls where I got. Let's repeat that phrase, okay? I've gotten some really cool things from e.l.f. at the Marshalls where I live. I have a couple of Marshalls close to me, and who's not excited about this? It comes with a daily face cleanser, illuminating eye cream, and daily hydration moisturizer. $6.99. I mean, can't go wrong. Individually, one of the things costs that much. So I'm excited about that. Next are these 2 things where they are from Alba Botanica. And they were both $3.99 each. They're right there. One is a fast fix for puffy eyes, and the other one is under eye circles. I need both. I want to see if they worked. $3.99. I was like, you know what? Let me give this a go. Let me see if it actually works on my under eye circles and puffy eyes. So there's that. Next is Derma E. Heard good things. These things are weighty. They are weight. They have some weight to them. I got these. They're the hydrating night cream. I like to use more creams at night. I definitely do. I'm looking for things particularly for my eyes. Just to help with the wrinkles right here, crow's feet right here, wrinkles in between my eyes, and things like that. So here they are. I got 2. They're the hydrating night cream. Yes, $7.99. $7.99. Super excited about these. Super excited to start using them. Oh my goodness. And then last but not least, when it comes to the lotions and creams and anti-aging stuff, I got these. Now they were on clearance, meaning they were on even more of a sale, red tag here, for $3. They are the Body Shop Seaweed Oil Control Lotion. I really like these. They have SPF 15 in them. I've already been using one, and when I saw that these were for $3 each instead of $3.99, I picked both of them up because I really like these. I don't have that much problems with my oils. I just don't. I have normal skin. Basic, normal skin. If I don't drink as much water, I drink a gallon of water a day. If I don't drink as much water a day, dry. A little bit drier. Just a little bit. But for the most part, normal skin. I just like the way this is, and I don't really have a lot, not yet. I know I need to get some SPF in my products. And I need to put some SPF on my face because that's the #1 key to anti-aging. I know all this. It's happening. It's happening. That's my next definite buy. I've been watching Stephanie Nicole's video on this. She did an amazing video on sunscreens. To pick something from there. All right. Next are the bronzers and contour palettes that I got. I got this little gem from e.l.f. It's their bronzer palette. $2.99. Super excited. I mean, $2.99 for a bronzer palette? Come on, people. Come on. You know? Let's move this one over here. Then I got my first Anastasia, true, real Anastasia Beverly Hills product. Tan to deep. These are the colors. It's the powder one. They had the cream one. I accidentally got that one, but I'm not really a cream contour person, so I was happy to find the powder one. Super happy about this. I got it for $18.99. $18.99, people. I'm excited about that one. Then, let's go to blushes. I found this e.l.f. blush for $1.99. I found this e.l.f. blush for $1.99. Super excited about that. I opened that one. I have not used it yet though, but I opened it to because I wanted to see and I'm so happy because it's like a corally, sparkly, super pretty pink, but I'm more of coral oranges, not orange, but coral. You know, like a true coral blush. I love that. Love it. Pink-orange mix. And then I got this. Now, I got this from my 99-cent store. I'm just going to throw that in there because my 99-cent store, it has some good makeup. Once in a while, they'll get all these makeups, I think from Rite Aid, Walgreens, wherever they get their makeup from. And they'll have L'Oreal and stuff like this. So I got this blush from there. At first, I was like, what is happening here? And I have opened it just to try it out. And you're like, I'm a cream blush. For my days when I don't want to wear makeup, you know, full face, but I want a flush to my cheeks. And I saw it and I was like, what is this? But when you rub it out like that, look at that. And it feels amazing. And you got that little pink cheeks, just a natural flush. I'm excited about that. I know, right? And then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit right here for $19.99. Super excited about this. Oh, am I excited about that. Okay, so then man, that blush from L'Oreal feels great. I wonder what's the lasting power. Okay, so then I got this from OfferUp. I'll talk about my buys and how I buy from OfferUp in another video. I plan to film that video. It's from Royal and Langnickel. I hope I'm saying it right. Langnickel Beauty Collection. These brushes are everything. I got this, for no joke, $10. $10. I got this brush set. It's a 9-piece brush set. I am so happy. I know they're authentic. I know how to check for authentic things on OfferUp now. Wasn't that way in the beginning. We're talking about last year when I didn't know people sold inauthentic products. I had no idea in this makeup community how much inauthenticness there is out there. That's I was so happy about finding that. I was patient. I love Royal and Langnickel. Their brushes are amazing. Amazing. So I was really excited about that. Okay, so I got this at Target. It was on clearance for $3.58. It is the beige. It's in the color beige. And I'm going to have to rip this off because I don't remember the brand. I just was like, it's on, oh, NYX. There you go, NYX. It's the Sans filter in beige. So I haven't even opened it yet. I mean, it was on clearance. You know that Target clearance just gets you. So let's go back to Marshalls. This was for $2. Bite Beauty, $2. Before I bought it, I opened it, I checked it. I was like, holy crap. It was $2 because someone messed up the carton. And I was like, what? It's in spice. Oh my God. I have not worn it yet. But I love Bite Beauty. I do. And to have this, so here, let's see. Look at that color. Wow. It is a Lush Fruit Lip Gloss. So it's a lip gloss and it feels like a gloss. And I'm all here for it. I'm here for that. Then another amazing find that is the Anastasia Liquid Lip. I've never owned one. This is in the shade Naked. And I'm sorry if my eyes keep going there. It's my monitor. It's in the shade Naked for $6.99. Super excited. There you go. $6.99. Excited about this sucker. I have not worn it yet. I'm excited. So let's see what color this is. So this is their lipstick, liquid lipstick. Okay. So let's see. You can see right there. Oh, that's great. You see the color? Let me do it this way. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I'm gonna have like all these swatches on my hand. I'm just excited. I mean, who doesn't get excited for makeup, right? Okay, then I bought this. I just had to include that in there. This from Amazon. You guys, this is amazing. I'm telling you right now, it's amazing. Can you please? There you go. It is a mini lip treatment. It comes with a set of 3. I got the traveler set because whether you buy the big bottle or a set of 3, they were the same ounces total. And I would have rather got the little tiny traveler set, which came with 3 at 0.17 ounces. And it would have totaled 1 big tube, basically. So, I love this stuff. I really do. It's amazing. And then I got these 2 beauties. They're the Maybelline New York. That's all it says on them. At the 99. Look at them. Oh, I'm covering the color for you guys. How cute. I was like, you can't go wrong. I just wanted to try it out. I mean, for 99 cents. Let's see what color we got here. This little doe fur is so fun. Look at the doe fur. Applicator. All right, let's see the inside. Let's see what color that is. Look at that. I'm about nudes and reds. If you have not noticed, nudes and reds. Okay, let's see this one. So they feel like a gloss. I'm gonna say it's a gloss. And okay, you see these 2? And then these? They got the exact same thing. Just different brands. So let's see how everything matches up against each other. Okay, then that's all the lip products. I also got this HD mattifying balm from e.l.f. The HD mattifying balm. I got it for $2.99. And I was like, this is a good way for me to try e.l.f. products. So, liking that. Now let's go on to concealers, foundations that I found, BB creams, CC creams, difference. I don't know, one's lighter than the other. I'm not sure. Okay, I got this BB cream. Broad Spectrum SPF 20 from e.l.f. I got it for $2.99. Try that out. I got in this. It's in medium. I figured out medium. Hey, can't go wrong with that. Then I got this CoverGirl Eye Rehab Concealer. I have not tried. The packaging was all messed up because it was like in this bin of concealers. And I got this also from Marshalls for $2.99. I mean, might as well try it out just to see what is it like. Then I got this Revlon Youth FX Fill and Blur Foundation. It was on clearance at Target for like super inexpensive. I don't know where the tag went, but super inexpensive. So I had to pick that up. And then I got this concealer. Now this concealer I did like swatch on my hand and I'm not too sure about this concealer. But I got it from e.l.f. for $1.99 in beige. So I'm going to give that a go. Let's see how this concealer, you know, I am more of a concealer, foundationless type face. So I really try to look for good concealers. I'm getting this lip gloss all over me. All right, next is I got this Tea Tree Flawless BB Cream Perfection from The Body Shop for $3.99 in the shade 03. I thought, can't hurt. I like The Body Shop products actually, so I want to give this a go. Then I got this Bare Skin Sheer Sun for $3 from Bare Minerals. I have one of these and I like it. It looks like it gives me this glow, this tan look. So I actually like it. So I stocked up when I saw it was on super clearance. And then last, but definitely not least, I got the HD Mattifying Oil-Free Cream Foundation in Sand from e.l.f. for $2.99. I wanted to try it. I wanted to see what it was like, what it is. Before this, I owned no e.l.f. products. Before this, I owned no Anastasia Beverly Hills. Before this, I owned no Revlon Concealer Foundation, right? None, right? Yeah. So now, let me get two more things that I just recently got from the 99 that I've tried already. It's been a couple of days and I've been trying it. And so what I have on my face right now is the Visible Lift Blur Foundation from L'Oreal. I got it from the 99, so you know the price is 99 cents. I got this in the color Natural Buff. And then I got medium concealer. And believe it or not, the medium concealer works. I thought it was going to be a little too dark. Could go for a tad bit lighter, but I didn't want to get the light one. And look how huge this sucker is. I actually like it. I don't like to put it on my eyes. It's the only thing that I've ever put on my eyes. It's either this or this that's making it crease. So sometimes I take the concealer and I just put it on my eyes, and I'm pretty sure it's this L'Oreal Lift. It's one of these two that's making it crease, my eyeshadow crease. So definitely don't put it on your eyes. But for the under eye and for the face, I feel like it gives me a natural look. I feel like it gives me a natural look, and it feels great on the skin. So that's it. That's it. That's all I got, and I'm excited because I just filled up my makeup collection, and for me to be able to try more things for not that much money, for really little amount of money actually. And I got some great skincare items. So I got some of this I got through from December until now. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys subscribe, hit the link down below, and also hit the little bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.